Are you tired of low-quality whiskey that just doesn't hit the spot? Here are the 5 best whiskey distillery kits I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Wibbyman Whiskey Smoker Kit. Let's kick things off with the Wibbyman Whiskey Smoker Kit. Priced at $59.99, this kit caught my eye with its unique design and promise to elevate your drinking experience. If you want to transform your ordinary whiskey into a smoky delight, this is worth a serious look. So why does this kit stand out? It includes everything you need for a premium smoking experience: a natural oak wood smoker, a refillable torch, just grab some butane, 6 flavors of wood chips, 2 whiskey glosses, and even ice ball molds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The smoky aroma enhances your bourbon or cocktails, making each sip a memorable experience. Plus, it's a great conversation starter for gatherings, a must-have for home bar enthusiasts. With over 200 sales last month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, I'll be real with you. Some users mentioned the torch can be tricky to ignite at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward, and the overall experience is definitely worth the small learning curve. This is perfect for you if you love hosting parties or simply enjoy whiskey on a quiet evening. But skip this one if you prefer a no-fuss drinking experience without any extra steps. Now, if the Wibbyman kit's complexity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its simplicity and efficiency. Product number 2, Vevor Alcohol Still 8-gallon or 30 liters. The Vevor Alcohol Still, priced at $99.90, this one caught my attention for its impressive 8-gallon capacity and robust build. If you're serious about distilling your own spirits, this is a solid option to consider. What really makes this product shine is its excellent cooling system. The open-type cooling method combined with copper coils ensures that your distilled product cools quickly and efficiently, which is essential for quality distillation. Plus, the built-in thermometer allows you to monitor the temperature accurately, helping you achieve the perfect results every time. With over 100 sales last month and counting, this machine is hitting the mark for many DIY distillers. Now, some users did find the assembly a bit confusing at first. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. Once you get through the initial setup, it's smooth sailing, and the quality of your homemade whiskey will make it all worth it. This kit is ideal for those who want to dive deep into the distilling process, but skip it if you're just looking for a casual hobby without the technical details. It's a great value given its capabilities. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a little less complexity while still getting great results. Product number 3, Vevor 3-gallon alcohol still. We have another Vevor product, the 3-gallon alcohol still, priced at $84.42. This model is a bit smaller, making it perfect for home use without taking up too much space. If you're looking to experiment with distilling without a huge commitment, this is worth considering. What makes this still unique is its portable design, which doesn't compromise on functionality. It offers rapid cooling and features a real-time thermometer, ensuring you maintain the right temperature throughout the distillation process. Plus, with its food-grade materials, you can feel good about the quality of what you're producing. With over 100 sales recently, it shows there's a demand for more compact solutions like this one. However, a few users pointed out that the 3-gallon capacity might not be enough for larger batches. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or making whiskey for personal use, this size is actually quite manageable and helps avoid waste. This is perfect for hobbyists or anyone wanting to dabble in distilling without the pressure of large quantities. But skip this if you plan on making big batches regularly. It provides good value for its price. Now, if you'd like the portability of the smaller still but are looking for something with a bit more flair, we've got something special coming up next. Product number 4, Whiskey Making Kit by Your Dream Party Shop, available for $49.99. This kit really intrigued me because it allows you to craft your own whiskey at home, which is a fun hands-on experience. If you want to personalize your whiskey flavors, this is a fantastic choice. With this kit, you get 2 glass bottles, various wood chips, botanicals, and even whiskey stones to chill your drink without dilution. The best part is the personalization aspect. You can create unique flavors using the infusion ingredients provided. This is perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with their drinks, and it's received positive feedback from over 50 buyers last month. One downside is that the instructions can be a bit vague for beginners. However, here's my take. Once you get the basics down, the creative process is really rewarding and fun. This is perfect for gift giving or for anyone wanting to dive into DIY spirits. But skip it if you're looking for something that's ready to drink out of the box. It's an enjoyable value for the experience it offers. Now, if the hands-on aspect of making your own whiskey appealed to you, you're going to love the next product, which combines ease of use with robust functionality. Product number 5. Vivor Alcohol Still 8 Gal with Pump, priced at $92.90. This model is impressive with its heavy-duty stainless steel construction and large capacity. If you're serious about distilling, this is one you can rely on. The standout feature here is the efficient condensation process thanks to the copper coiled tube and a circulating pump that speeds up cooling. The built-in thermometer makes monitoring temperature a breeze, which directly impacts the quality of your distillate. With 50+ recent sales, it's clear that many are choosing this as their go-to distilling kit. That said, some users did find the initial setup a bit cumbersome. Here's the thing though. Once you get past that, the performance and quality of the distillation process are top-notch, making it worth the initial hassle. This is perfect for those who want a reliable, high-capacity option for serious distilling, but skip it if you prefer something simpler or more compact. It's definitely a good investment for the quality it delivers. To wrap it all up, we've looked at some fantastic options today. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Vivor Alcohol Still 8 Gal with Pump because of its efficiency and reliability for serious distillers. I'd recommend avoiding the Weeby Men kit if you want something straightforward without the extra flair. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.